The National Commission for Protection of Child Rights and Narcotic Control Bureau has come with a joint action plan to address substance abuse among children. So, which is why we thought tomorrow being the International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking, we should convene the stakeholders meetings so that we can bring them together and build a common ecosystem towards addressing substance abuse children. Over the years, we have seen drug abuse in Goa has been increasing, and of children, of course, are our concerns. And we thought that we should engage all stakeholders in a sustained intervention. गोंयांत जायते प्रोग्राम आमी करतात लायक इट्स वन ऑफ जेन्ना चडशे वन ऑफ इव्हेंट आसतात कॉम्पिटिशनां आसतात बट एक सस्टेन प्रोग्राम ना गोंयांत ड्रग अब्यूज जे प्रॉब्लम आसा इज बिहेवियर रिलेटेड आनी एक सस्टेन इंटरवेंशन आसपाक जाय when it comes to children. So this is our first attempt, and this is not the end. This is just a start, and it's the first time I think that we have had stakeholders from the government, stakeholders from the civil society coming on one platform and discussing, and there were very good inputs, especially surrounding alcohol. गोंयांत भुरग्यां खातीर एडिक्शन डी एडिक्शन सेंटर ना, so that is something which state really needs to take first priority. भुरग्यांक बाकी सुविधा आसा like for children, like there are shelter homes, but when it comes to exclusive de-addiction center, there is nothing in Goa. So there are a lot of priorities which are listed, and hopefully with the government support, with support of the stakeholders, we'll get a lot of success. We'll get a lot of we'll be building an ecosystem.
So any data you have regarding how many cases are there about child drug addiction?
So आता there is no research study as such which is capturing data, but जो data when आयचे प्रोग्रामाक दाखयला, that was a pan India study, and they have measured from 10 to 75. So तितून disaggregated data ना भुरग्यांचो, but still that is one of the plea which I make to the government, that data capture करपाक चड गरजेचो, कित्याक data जेन्ना आमकां आसता आमकां severity problemaची कळटा. We come to know the severity of the problem. So that is one of our demand, and slowly we might even commission might get engaged in doing a mapping exercise, trying to understand what is the extent of drug abuse problem among children in Goa.
Stakeholders तेंचे काय सजेशन?
That is a nice work police are, but drug demand जो reduce करपाक जाय, you need good designed programs in that. So everybody echoed that we need to prevent getting young children getting into drugs. Everybody said that debut जो आसता drug घेवपाची age जी आसता is mostly 9th 10th standard. So everybody agreed to that, but then they graduate to harder drugs. So we know when young children are getting, we have more or less zeroed on the age, but we need to do it correctly, do research. Another thing, a lot of discussions were surrounding licensing. So licensing of bars, licensing for alcohol sale, that is something which is in the domain of the state. It would be nice if it would be better, in fact it would be very effective if a state have a relook at how licenses are given, because for example in a Bicholim Taluka we have 400 to 500 retail licenses. We don't know the data of the other talukas, and that sounds a huge number. Especially in villages, it becomes really a social problem. Other thing, yes. So children on streets also, a lot of children on street into drug abuse, that also point got highlighted. Yes.
Sir, तुमी सांगले की पयलीं जे हे प्रॉब्लम जे आसा ड्रग एडिक्शनाचे ते कोस्टल बेल्टाचेर चड पळोवंक मेळटाले आनी आतां ते विलेज एरियाज लायक डिचोली केपे काणकोण त्या सायडीन आयल्यात सो हे केन्नाच्यान प्रॉब्लम एक्चुली जे डायवर्ट जाला ते आतां विलेज सायडीन आसा आनी हेजेर कितें स्टडी बीन जाला स्टेट लेवलाचेर
स्टडी कांय जावंक ना पूण जे केसीस आमकां येतात लायक आय एम वर्किंग इन ड्रग अब्यूज सिन्स 2011 not from government side but from the NGO space. So basically 2011 and like we were not getting cases or we were not hearing that much. But lately the pattern of drug abuse zala like it's slowly penetrating into hinterlands like Ponda, Sattari, Kepe has become a huge concern against Valpoi Sattari again is a big concern because we do get leads, we do get cases. Having said that, we didn't experience. I'm solely saying like, पहिले येनाले आता येता. It's coming now, like and many other stakeholders also agreeing on what we are also saying.
सो मेन रिजन कितें आसतलें लायक कोस्टल बेल्टार इजिली एक्सेसिबल आसा ते बिकॉज ऑफ टुरिस्ट एंड सो मेनी अदर एक्टिविटीज सो हांगा कशें हें जावपाक डेवलप जावपाक
So what we have seen is young people today have developed a very liberal attitude towards substance abuse. Like alcohol is become like almost it's part of rooted in our culture or part of culture. Similarly, like lately, young people want to experiment, and again, peer pressure. Sometimes it's related to one of the participants side, like they have no one to express to, and there are families which are broken. At a very young separated couple. So these are the kind of backgrounds we see when it comes to the client which come up in few of the centers. So yeah, these are largely the reasons, but we, as I said, we again need to understand, so that accordingly we can customize and design our programs.
So where you see the as compared to other state, Goa, the drug addiction?
So Goa, both the districts have been listed at red zone as per the national study. So alcohol is quite because it's included in substance abuse, but other drugs also are slowly taking up, like so this is an area of concern in both the district. More of North district. There is part that Kalangut, Baga up till Morji in that belt. Anjuna also, there are a lot of cases which are generally coming from that part. Lately, down south has been an area of concern. So again, I say repeat the same thing. We need to study. In this
COVID time, there has been increase in the drugs.
Yes, the seizure has increased. Seizure of drug has increased, and today Herald also has brought that out. Seizure of drug has increased, and it's increasing to my knowledge. To what the facts are, and especially cases also. Only thing we are not able to give because of COVID related restriction. Not many come up to access in-person services, but we do get calls, and where I associate, not directly to the commission, but I am associated with some organization. There do we get clients.